Hello, little minis. How are you all? It's Miss Penny from the Marengo-Union Library, and we're here to do another craft. We are going to do a Valentine's craft. So we're going to make hearts today. It's going to be so fun. We are going to be painting. Painting, yay! Everybody loves painting. And we're going to be using hands. So make sure that you have clothes that are okay to get dirty or a smock, okay? And cover your workspace because it's gonna get messy. So go do that first and then we'll get started. All right, everybody ready? Good job, let's get started. You guys, I'm going to send home a few colors of paint, so you'll have a couple of colors of paint, and I want you to put them onto a paper plate. It'll be easier to get the paint from a paper plate, okay? So you put them onto a paper plate. This is our first step. First thing we're gonna do, okay? Because you're gonna, do you wanna know what we're making? Yeah, of course, sometimes I get ahead of myself. Okay, we're making flower bouquet. So let's make that. But we're making, it's gonna be just so fun. We get to cut, we get to paint, we get to glue, we get to do all of the art things all in one. Yay. All right, so you're going to have some of this paper in your kit, and you're gonna have a piece of colorful paper in your kit, and you're gonna have a big piece of paper in your kit, and you're going to have paint in your kit. So you're gonna need glue, and you're gonna need scissors, and wow, okay, let's get started. This is so exciting. Okay, so you've got your paint on your plates, right? Your big person helped you, I hope? Yes. All right. Each color gets its own plate, okay? That way your colors don't get mixed. If you want to mix them, that's totally up to you, but if we want to keep them separate, we want them all on their own plate. You want to take one piece of paper and one color of paint and paint that piece of paper. You want to put handprints and fingerprints and however you want to do it. Let me show you. Do, 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 da, da. However you want to do it. That's mine. So each one of your colors gets the same thing. Ready? Do, 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 do. Every color, okay? That's the first thing that you want to do. Then you have to let those dry. Guess what you can do while those are drying? You can play. Yeah, well, wash your hands. Wash your hands. Definitely wash your hands. Wash your hands, go play, let those dry for a bit, okay? After those are dry, here's something else you can do, or you could do this while they're drying. You need to take, you know what else you need? A green marker or crayon, whatever you've got. You're gonna take another piece of this paper and you're just gonna color green, however you want. Really, if you can make just long lines, that would be great. Watch this. Do, 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 do. Green. These are going to be cut into strips to make stems for your flowers. Yes. So that's what you guys are doing first. Yay. So then you're going to take your scissors and you're just going to cut this paper into some strips to make the stems for your flowers. We're just cutting, 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 cutting. However, you can cut them fat, you can cut them thin, you can cut them shorter, you can cut them longer. You can do whatever you want with the stems of your flowers, okay? You can make lots, you can make a little bit. Whew. You don't even know how many flowers you're gonna have. I don't even know how many flowers you're gonna have. I don't even know how many flowers I'm gonna have. So that's what you're doing. You just get to cut. Cut, 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 cut. Cutting, cutting, cutting. There we go. Bunch of strips. And if you get tired of cutting, maybe your big person could just help you along. There we go. I just cut a bunch of strips from my green paper. Okay. Whew. Whew. I don't know if your hand's tired. Mine's a little bit tired. Too bad because we have some more cutting to do. But that's all right. While we're waiting, we can go ahead and glue. We're going to go ahead and glue while we're waiting. We're going to take this big piece of paper and we're just going to take our green strips and just glue them. Just glue them onto your paper. Just take your glue stick and just kind of glue your strips on there. Randomly glue them on there. Like I'll just do this one here. Yep, that looks like a good spot. I'm gonna put this one here. I'll show you. I know you can't really see what I'm doing, so I will show you in a minute here. Just plop her on there. Ooh, that one, took that one off. And even crisscross them. Crisscross. I'll show you. Okay. All right. Here we go. Look it. I just randomly glued some stems on there. Ta-da! Well, what do we want for our stems? We're going to use this to make a vase. Now, I'm going to send a vase, a template, it's called a template, home, in case your big person wants to trace it on there for you, okay? Otherwise, watch this. You can take your paper, do this, and just cut your own kind of template, or your own kind of base by doing this. There. You can just kind of cut your own little design here. And then you'll just have one. Look at that. I just made a vase like this. Ta-da! Let's see if it fits the paper. What? It totally fits. Now I'm going to glue this on top of the stems, but down at the bottom because it's a vase. What does a vase do? It holds your flowers. You fill it with water. Helps keep them alive a little bit longer. There we go. There we go. See? Now I have a vase of stems. That's what we're making, right? A vase of stems? No, that's just silly. All right. Let's finish our project. What do you think we just did all of this for? Yes, these are going to be our flowers. But how, you ask? Okay. Your big person, or you, can cut hearts out of these. Your big person can either draw the hearts on there for you to cut, or they can cut your hearts for you. The way I like to cut hearts is I like to fold my paper in half and then just randomly cut hearts like this. I cut half hearts in my paper, but it turns into a full heart when I open it, and I will show you, watch. So I just did this. I cut my paper like this, but when I open it, they're hearts. So I'm going to do that with all three of my colors, and these hearts are going to be heart flowers for our vase. But I want to make sure I have some of every color. I don't want just one color on my vase. You can if you want, that's up to you. Because it's your picture, right? See, I did it again. Ta-da! Hearts. Now let's do some purple. Fold it. And cut it. And you can make big hearts or little hearts. It is up to you. Let me make one pretty good size one. Oh, decent size. Okay. There. Ta-da! Oh, it matches my shirt. You can't even. Oh, it's like hiding. Let's do it this. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right. This is what we're going to do with our hearts, everybody. We're going to glue them onto our stems. So now, glue on to our stems. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only put 5 on for now, but that doesn't mean that I can't add more. You can always add more. Oh, I'm only putting 5 because, because I don't want to be here for hours. But look, there's my vase of flowers. And I'm probably going to want to add more because it's very empty, and that's okay. Or I could leave it like this. That's it, guys. That is it. Then, if you want, maybe you can write something here like Happy Valentine's Day or I love you. That would be cute. Let's see. I love, I'll make a heart for love, you. And then you could give this away. Or keep it. And then always write your name on there somewhere. See? How cute. You could totally give this to somebody or hang it up in your house for you to look at and everybody who comes and visits you to look at. This is your craft. When you're done, make sure you wash your hands really good and help your big person clean up all of this mess, okay? Just a little bit of throwing away and washing up. No big deal. Easy peasy. You guys have fun. Send us pictures. I'd love to see your finished flower bouquets. You guys have fun making these. Get nice and messy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.